When inspecting parts, assemblies, and fixtures, fitting methods for measured data points can be used as quality control, analysis, and problem-solving tools. With PolyWorks Inspector 2024, you are in full command of the fitting parameters for probed features. You can predefine the fit type to determine minimum or maximum mating feature size. You can constrain the feature size before probing the location of precision components like tooling balls. Constrain center points to ensure concentricity with reference geometry. Like all probing parameters, fitting methods and constraints can be modified after probing. The measurement results are automatically updated, saving you time and giving you flexibility. Gain complete control and flexibility over fitting parameters during probing. Download PolyWorks Inspector 2024 now from My PolyWorks or contact us for a demo.